After the Insta360 X5, I honestly thought we'd reach the limit for compact 360 cameras. But the new Insta360 X4 Air completely changes the game. Well, this is Insta360's brand new, lightweight 8K 360-degree camera, and it literally fits in your pocket. It's got everything: 8K clarity, AI editing, horizon lock, voice control, and even invisible selfie shots that look straight out of a drone. So in this video, we're diving into everything you need to know. From design and build to camera performance, stabilization, battery life, and of course, whether this little powerhouse is worth your money. So, let's jump in. Alright, let's start with the design and build. The X4 Air stays true to Insta360's clean, minimalist style. At just 165 grams, it feels incredibly light. You can slip it into your pocket or mount it anywhere without even noticing it's there. The body has a smooth matte finish and a premium grip. What's new this time is the replaceable lens design. So if you scratch one, you don't need to replace the entire camera. Just swap the lens and you're good to go. It's also waterproof up to 15 meters, meaning you can take it swimming, snorkeling, or out in the rain. No housing required. Want to go deeper? Just add the invisible dive case, and you can capture 360 degrees underwater, down to 197 feet. And of course, Insta360's signature magnetic mounting system is here too. You can switch between 50+ mounts in seconds, and it even includes a 1 4-inch universal thread for selfie sticks and tripods. But design isn't everything, so how good are the visuals? Let's talk about image quality. The X4 Air uses a 1x1.8-inch sensor with an f1.95 aperture and a 6.4mm focal length. It can shoot in 8K at 30 FPS, 6K up to 50 FPS, and 4K up to 50 FPS, giving you incredible flexibility depending on your shooting style. Photos come out at around 29 megapixels, and thanks to the wider aperture, the low-light performance is better than most 360 cams in this class. Colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and the dynamic range is excellent, especially with Insta360's new adaptive tone technology, which automatically balances light and shadow. That means no blown-out skies or dark faces. You'll also love active HDR, which enhances color and detail in both highlights and shadows for smooth, natural-looking footage, even in tricky lighting. And if you prefer traditional POV footage, there's single lens mode, which records 4K 60 FPS video from either lens with a super wide 170-degree field of view. So basically, one camera can handle 360 shots, vlogging, and action footage, all in one device. Here's where Insta360 really shows its strength. The flow state stabilization keeps your footage buttery smooth, no matter how much movement or vibration you throw at it. Even if you spin the camera a full 360 degrees, Horizon Lock keeps your horizon perfectly level. You also get the signature invisible selfie stick effect, which makes the stick disappear from your footage, giving your shots a drone-like look that's perfect for travel or sports content. Shooting is easier than ever. Features like Twist to Shoot, just twist your stick twice to start or stop recording, Gesture Control, use your hand to trigger the camera, and Voice Control 2.0 for fully hands-free operation. Audio has also had a big upgrade this year. The X4 Air features an improved wind guard and new audio algorithms that minimize background and wind noise, even when you're moving fast. Plus, voice enhancement mode focuses on human speech, making your vlogs sound clear and crisp without needing an external mic. For creators filming outdoors or on the move, that's a huge improvement. Inside, you'll find a 2010 mAh battery, giving up to 88 minutes of recording at 8K 30 FPS or around 105 minutes at 6K 24 FPS. It charges 80% in 36 minutes and hits a full charge in under an hour via USB-C. And yes, you can record while charging. That means full-day vlogging or event coverage without worrying about downtime. It also has a 6-axis gyroscope for advanced stabilization and runs smoothly in extreme conditions, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're skiing or on a summer hike, this little guy's got your back. The X4 Air isn't just a camera. It's practically a smart editor in your pocket. The Insta360 mobile app offers AI Auto Edit, which automatically adds transitions, effects, and music, turning your raw 360 footage into a ready-to-post clip within seconds. AI Frame analyzes your footage and finds the best angles, while reframing lets you choose your favorite shots after recording. You never have to worry about aiming again. You can even choose between forward view, selfie view, or multi-view split screen for multiple people in one shot. On desktop, the Insta360 Studio software gives you pro-level editing tools on Mac and Windows. And for cloud creators, the Insta360 Plus cloud service automatically backs up footage, lets you edit online, and even export without downloading. It's perfect for travelers and creators who need flexibility on the go. When it comes to connectivity, the The X4 Air supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-fast transfers and stable wireless control. You can pair it with Insta360 remotes, your Apple Watch, or even Huawei and Garmin devices, making remote control effortless from any setup. Now let's talk about price and value, and this is where things get exciting. The Insta360 X4 Air is priced at $399, which is honestly impressive for what it offers. For that price, you're getting 8K footage, advanced AI editing, professional-grade stabilization, and all-day battery life in one of the lightest 360 cameras ever made. It's cheaper than most flagships and more portable than any traditional action cam setup. Basically, it's built for content creators who want cinematic results without bulky gear. So, should you buy the Insta360 X4 Air? If you're a YouTuber, vlogger, traveler, or just someone who wants to capture memories in stunning 8K, then yes, this is one of the most balanced and capable 360 cameras in this year. You get next-level stabilization, excellent image quality, replaceable lenses, strong battery life, and tons of smart AI tools that make editing effortless. Sure, its low-light performance isn't as strong as full-frame cameras, but for this size, the results are phenomenal. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest tech breakdowns. Drop a comment below. Would you pick the X4 Air or stick with the other action camera? And as always, all product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.